Emma, the other day, you remember where we stopped? You were doing inside your thing book, right? Can you just tell me the page where we stopped? Have we started on cones? You page 60, is it?
Yeah, 61.
Have we started? We have started 61. Have we done 62?
We only did question 3.
We did question 3. Okay. We try question 2 lah. But first of all, let's just revise. You memorize the formula already, right? I'm going to just ask you, okay? So you have cone like that. You can see the screen, and okay, and here, so what's the formula for finding, okay, let's see, it's like that. Finding the volume of a cone.
1/3 times pi times r squared times h.
Okay, what about curved surface area, which is this one on here?
Pi times r times l.
Okay, L stands for?
Slant height.
Okay. Oh, very good. Okay, so that's curved surface. Okay, all right, so you are ready. You have not finished that topic yet, right, in school?
We are about to finish.
About here. So we are here. Okay, we try question number 2.
126.
126. Okay, okay. You try question number 4. Let me just check. Yeah. Oh, just fast, man. Just running. Hold on. They say total surface area 11B, right? Question number 2 is not 126. So let us see. 126 pi, right? Total surface area. So you have. You want to check yours, or you feel it's correct?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. First one, you found pi r squared, right? So pi times r means 25 pi lah. You agree? For circle? Plus pi times 5 times L is, let me see.
Wait, I only found one of it.
Oh. So you times 8. But even if you found one, it cannot be so big, you know. They do not want you to times the pi. They want you to leave the pi as it is. So what's your total answer?
40 pi.
40 pi for the curved surface, 25 pi for the circle. So you have to add them up because you want total surface area, which is the circle plus the curve side.
$65.
65 pi. Okay, well done. Okay, we move on to the next one, which is question number 4. Question number 4. Yeah. Gonna get some.
75.
75 for which one? The base radius. Base radius. Okay. Okay. The answer is not correct. How do you do it? Do you have a snapshot? Do you write anything down?
Yeah,
Can you just take a photo, or can you show me? I can take a screenshot. Yeah.
yeah, I missed the step.
Okay. Do you for me, I would normally write the formula down now. I'll write the formula down and then I'll get the
Is it
answer.
8 points?
No, it's 4 point something. According to the books, for number I is 4.89.
I want to take a picture.
Okay, can you? You're 75 again. You got 75, is it? You know what is 75? Is the area of the base, right? Okay, okay. Never mind. I will have a look now. Let me just have a look at the, download this. Okay. This one, right? So again, okay, very good. That means you know how to do this. 1/3 times pi times r squared times 10 pi is equals to, let me see, 250 pi. Good. This is correct. And then what happened? 10/3 pi, there's pi and pi, you know. And down here you can cancel 1 pi lah if you want to. Cancel 1 pi, cancel 1 pi if you want to. Then it will be 10/3 pi r squared is equals to this. Because there's 2 pi's. Do you agree there's 2 pi's? 1 and 2. Okay, so it's like pi squared like if you want. Or we can write it like that. If you don't want me to remove this one, it'll be 10/3 pi squared r squared. Are you okay? And then if you bring the whole pi over there, you'll be divided by pi over 2, like this lah. You will have over 2 like that. Okay. And then this means pi times pi, right? So if you divide, you are still left with 1 pi here. Are you confused? Are you okay? You okay, eh? Okay. So this is the answer. We divide blah 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 blah. You get 75. Okay, 75 pi, or is it 75 pi, right? There's a pi still, right? Okay. But that is r squared. You have not found, no. Hold on. Yeah, because we bring your original one, there was you were missing a pi. Okay. So it's r squared. So you must find radius. You must square root this. Can you just find out what's the square root? Did he ask you to leave? You change the pi to 22 over 7. 22 divided 7 times 75. Your answer. And you square root it.
Wait, what?
Something is not right. Hold on. 4.89. Let me see. Let me just check. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do. You bring over the thing. You times by. Okay, let's see. Bring over 75. 75. Oh, 75 over pi. 75 divided by pi. Okay, sorry. It's not over pi here. Yeah. Okay, it's 75 divided by pi. Not 75 times pi. My bad. Okay, because it's underneath, right? On top here, if you divide, you get 75, right? Okay, you can see this. I will just prove to you. When you bring over, there's now, this is on top, so it goes below, and down here, the 3 is on top here. You get cancel 0, 25 times 3 is 75. So finally, you got 75 on top, but the pi is below. So 75 divided by pi, you're going to find the square root of it. Okay, yeah, got it right. Can you get it?
4.8.
Yes, 4.88. 4.8, what did you see? Yeah, they put 4.89. All right, it's okay. You get it, huh? So just be careful. Again, if you look at it, although we are doing cones and pyramids, the algebraic manipulation is very, very important. You need to know where to push and what not. Are you confused by this thing? Being here? No. Oh, you're not confused, huh? Okay. All right, that's good. Okay, then we can move on to the next one. What's the curved surface area of the cone? Curved surface area of the cone, huh? You may need to draw that if you want to. You may need to draw. Okay, what do I mean? I'm not gonna draw yet, but you may need to draw lah. You know how to find, Emma?
Yeah.
What are you going to use to find?
Pi times 4.9 times 11.13.
How do you know the slanted height?
Square root 10 square plus 4.9 square.
Okay, no 4.9, eh? 4 point, oh yeah, 4.9, yeah, correct. 4 point, yeah, you can say 4 point, yeah, 4.89, yes, yes. Okay, well done, well done, well done. Well done.
171.49.
Okay, just a moment, 171.49. But there's not the same answer. There's a curved surface area, is it? You say the answer is 488. Okay, you can take a photo of your working. Let me just have a look if you don't mind.
It's barely anything.
Sorry, barely what?
It's barely anything. I only wrote one.
Oh, okay. You barely wrote anything. Okay. No problem. What was your slanted height? What's your
11.14.
okay? I didn't get 11.14. I got 5.8. Can you just okay? You said you squared this. You squared this. Did you square the 10 also? No. You squared together, right?
Wait, the 10, right? Do I have to put the 5 inside?
Okay, down here, because they tell you the pi is here, right? This is the height, right? So you need to square this whole thing now. So you can, okay, let's assume pi is 3.14 times 10 is 31.4. So you must square 31.4 later. You cannot just square the pi, no. So you get it?
I got 11.0.
I think that's not correct. 11, okay. Okay, we do this. Do you agree, first of all, that 10 pi is 31.4? Do you agree? Can plus 4.89 square. Can you put this value inside your calculator? And then what do you get?
31.8.
31.4 square plus 4.89 square 1009.
Wait. My breath on me. 31.78.
Yeah, I got same thing, 31. So this is 31.76. Let us just double check again. Just now we got the radius is 4.89, right? So we square should be equals to this, right? So now let's see now. Yeah, it should be correct lah. Should be so 31. Okay, yours 31.8. Okay, so 31.8 is pi RL, right? Pi times R, which is 4.8900 times L. Okay, can we just try pi 22 divided 7 times 4.89 times 31.8? I get 488. You get 488?
Oh wait, I wrote the radius as 4.9.
Oh, okay, 4.9, no problem. Okay, okay, we use 4.9. We can use 4.9, no problem. Because I put as 4.89, it's very close, no problem. Your slanted height is 31.8, right? This one is 4.9. Okay, can you just use a formula lah? Pi 22/7 times 4.9 times 31.8.
0.9.
0.9, okay. So that is the answer lah. Now, how do you ensure that you get accurate answers is to use the most accurate readings lah. Okay, if you can convert to 2 or 3 decimal places during the working, but for the final one, use the nearest 2 decimal place or something. What does your teacher tell you about this? Does she tell you about
Like the working leading up to the answer, we put it in fraction.
yes, okay, good. Or even in square root, sometimes you have the square root sign with the actual one. Yeah, you can use that. Okay, so you know that. Well done. Okay, we move on. You all right? Okay, Emma. Let's see. This one we have done. Right? Have we? Oh, number 5. Sorry. The volume and base area of total surface area. Okay. You know what to do? What are you going to do? Sorry?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Okay, let's ask ourselves, we want to find, so we look at the question now. You want to find total surface area. In fact, they already tell you what's the base area, right? They give you 3424 pi. So that means the bottom, the base circle, you don't need to worry. The base of the cone. What you now need to worry is the curved surface area. In order to find curved surface area, you need to know pi, you need to know r, and you need to know L. Now, you don't have L. We need to find out what L is. But normally, in order to find L like this now, you need to know R and you need to know height. Then you can find L. You agree? So that means you also need to find what R is. So my suggestion is find what R is first down here, because this is pi R squared is equals to 324, right? So find what is R first. Once you have found what is R, then you can find what is H if you want to. How to find H? You got to play around with the formula lah. That means what's the formula? You yourself tell me that is pi R squared H. This is over 3. 1/3 is over 3. You're not confused here. Are you confused? Equals to volume. So now you got to make H the subject. You know what I mean? Making H. So once you make H the subject, you can find what is H. Because now you know what's R. You can substitute in. You know what to do? So you find what is R first using this. Then we find what is H. And then we find what's L. And then we find curved surface area, and then we plus it to this. Okay? Okay, 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 are you confused? Yes. No, okay.
Just very tedious.
Tedious, yes. So this thing is actually not tough, it's just too many steps. Have you been in a dance routine? No. No, not for performance. No. Not even for Malay society. Are you part of Malay society? No. During my time, I think they forced Malays to be in Malay society. So the first thing, okay, once you found R, you tell me what's your R, you tell me what's your H, and you tell me what's your L. And as you proceed, you tell me, okay? Or you can write it down there straight. You're right, it's tedious. It's tedious. Okay, have you gotten R? You know how to find R? No. Okay. R, okay, what's the formula of the circle? Pi R squared, right? So pi R squared is equals to this one, the base area here. The base area is the circle at the bottom. Lah. So we write 3, 2, 4, pi. Now, if you see the pi down here, you can cancel. Now. You know that you can cancel. Now. You cancel, then you get R squared equals to 3 to 4. Find out what is R.
18.
18, good. R is 18. Now, we got to do now finding H. Can you move this about and tell me what is the formula here for H? Normally in maths, they'll tell you make H the subject. Then you got to push everything there. Can you make H the subject and tell me what you have over there?
H equals.
You know seesaw method, right? Can I show you seesaw method? You just push up. Imagine now, you're pushing up the seesaw. So you push the 3 up, it becomes how many V? 3V, 3V. Okay, I know you're scared by seesaw method. That's okay, it's okay. Now, below the V is actually 1, right? Now, I want you to push all of those that are not H below the slide. It's going to go down. So what do you have at the bottom?
Pi R square H.
No, don't push the H there. Pi R square. Ni. Leave the H here. Are you scared by this method? But can you see it's very fast? So at some point in time, I need to teach you this method, you know, which is what I call a seesaw method. You cannot tell your teacher you're using seesaw method. She said there's no such method. But can you see, I just push it down and push it up, finish.
My teacher uses seesaw method as well.
Okay, good. Did she tell you what does she call it?
Seesaw method.
Really? Okay. She calls it seesaw method. So that means okay lah. That means okay. So this is the formula. So I will have to test you on the seesaw method, you know, because that's very, very fast, Emma. You can do slow method lah, but why you want to suffer? How much is your liking for maths now? Out of 10. Don't tell me it's still 5 lah.
6.5.
Oh, okay. So there's still 3.5 of dislike. You know? So the more you do the slow, the thing, it's like torture. You know? Okay, you find what's H then. Find what's H. You substitute the values and find what's H. You know the R square, you can use this value. This you found out that's not was R square, right? Use that value. You don't need to put the 18 square, then you got to calculate everything again, you know. Oh, she called it seesaw method. That means I must have learned it in school. I thought I was a genius then. Shame on me. Very bad. Thinking that I discovered actually, if your teacher knows about it, then. Okay, have you found the height? Still doing.
I don't know how much to round it off.
You know how to what?
Round off the decimal.
Oh, there's no decimal, you know. What do you do?
Pi times 3 to 4.
Oh, there's no pi. Wait. Do you write the volume in? So I'm going to write in H is equal. Right? You have the volume down here. You got to put the volume in, you know. Substitute.
I wrote it as the radius.
Oh, the radius. No. Radius is the one below, remember? 3 to 4. R squared is 3 to 4.
One 1,1,6,6,4.
1,1,6,6,4. Okay, then Do you divide by 3 to 4? You cancel the pi? Okay, if you can tell me what's h is a whole number, then if not, I will run through, no problem.
I'm supposed to cancel the pi.
Yeah, cancel the pi. What is stop now? Can you see I cancel, no more pi. So then you take 3 times 3/8 divide by 3 to 4. You're not confused here, right? Not confused, right? The way you are shaking your head is as if you are forced to shake. Right? Are you sure? If you are confused, you must tell me you're confused, Emma. Okay, then 36, good. So H is 36. Now, you know, like you got H, you got R, you got to find the L using Pythagoras.
$40.25.
Okay, hold on. Wow, you're fast. Okay, 40.25, great. So now you can find the curved surface area.
$91,612.4.
Hold on. What is your curved surface area? 9161.
91,612.4.
Okay. Do you take pi? RL? Yes. 22/7 times R is 18 times.
Oh, I just used pi. I didn't use 2.
You must use you can use the pi in the calculator, no problem, but must times by 18, must times by 40.25. Do you do that? Okay, just let me check.
Oh, it's. I know I didn't.
No, it's not too big number.
2276.
Okay, well done. Then you add to this one because you want total surface area, but remember you got to change the pi to how you got to add to this one, the bottom one.
$2600.15.
But you times the pi. You have to time because this one now they have not multiplied the pi. No, you must give it totally in numerical form. That means 324 times 22/7. What's your answer here? You add with the answer. That's why you get about 2276. Is it? You must add those together.
3293.
Okay, well done.
3294.
Are you okay? You are clear, right? Which part you are not clear?
Yeah.
Clear, yeah. And that is actually the survey question for psychological test. They will ask you the same question in another way. And if you answer different way, that means, yeah, that means, yeah, okay, never mind. All right, find the volume of the cone. We have the base, radius, 9. You have the total surface area. So you ask yourself, what do you need to have for the values in order to find the volume? What do you not have? What do you not have now? The values you have
The height.
height. Okay, so you got to find the height from the total surface area. But total surface area does not give you height; it gives you slanted height. And then you got to use the Pythagoras again, and then yeah, you know what to do, huh? Okay, this time you write down your values for slanted height. Write down the values for height. Later we compare lah. Once you get a slanted height, you tell me. What's your slanted height? Eh? Do you have a slanted height? I made a mistake.
I don't know how to.
Sorry, you got what?
I don't know how to do.
Okay, do you draw diagrams when you do this? You have to, no? If you don't, you do. Okay, so all right. So you check, I'll be check, huh? Whether now. Oh, I didn't see. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah. They got a total surface area there. My mistake. My mistake. Now as I'm looking, they didn't give the curved surface area, no? They gave total surface area. So what is total surface area? We write down the formula now. It's made out of two parts, one part and two parts. You have to plus together, which is pi r square, I cannot, not right, plus pi RL. This is going to be equals to 720. Are you okay so far this? You understand? Huh? So you substitute the values for pi and R, you will be left with L1. So down here, pi R squared is, you can find out pi R squared. Huh? Let's say we take 3.14 times 9 times 9. We get 254.34. That's stay lah. Okay, mine might not be so accurate, but I'm just taking 3.14. So 254.34. Down here, we know that, okay, we take 3.14 times 9. Again, I'm doing estimated, I think, just what you get 26.28. 28.26. Okay, so now you do L with an L here. Bring this over the other side, you minus 720 minus 254. What do we have left? Okay, so I'm going to take 720 minus 254.34. I get 46566. That means this thing now is equals to 465.66.
That's what I did as well.
You got this also?
Yeah.
Okay. Means you're all right then. So just divide then by 28.25. You get 16.48. The slanted height is 16.48. So you're just one step away. You understand what I'm doing? You did this.
What are you doing for the last part?
Okay, down here now, I brought this over to down here now. So it became minus, you see, minus this. I get this answer, which is now 28.26 L is equals 465. You know what I mean? Then I divide this by 28 point something, I get 16.48, which is now the slanted height. Okay, then from there, you know what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to find, you need to find the height, and then you can find the volume. So my mistake. And what was my mistake? I didn't see its total surface area. I assume it's curved surface area.
One 1398.
1398. What is that? Volume. Volume. Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. What is your height?
I did it wrong.
Pi r squared times height, right? Times height. Okay, finally. Yeah. You must get the height. Tell me what's your height? Not your 13.8. Okay, good. So you can find the volume already.
1170.
Yes, well done. So that's it. That's it. You got it. Okay. Hold on. These are the last two. Okay, let's see. The radius and height of a smaller solid are R units, height H units. And we do not show Ryan is wrong. No. We don't want to show Ryan is wrong. Have you done your school one, your school book? Yes, sir. All the questions. Can I give you some from there? We go to the tough ones. Hold on. Hey, this one is your school one. No? This one is this is what we have just done. Yeah. Sorry. This one. You have done all of this. You finished all your book one. Okay, then. Yes, sir. Most of it. Can we do can we do this one? You have done, right?
What page is that?
This one is page 62. Maybe this is from the Express. I'm not too sure whether it's on the Express. Do you have this diagram there?
No, it's not.
There, correct. There's normal academic. Can you see?
No, we don't have a workbook. We only have textbook.
Oh, okay. In that case, let's try. I'm just worried that you have done all of this. So you have not done, can we do this one then? Solid cone has a base area of 144. You don't need to do question A. Let's assume it's already proven. We do question B, C, B and B, the three questions at B. So you don't use your school workbook, only the textbook. Okay, next time I can give you exercise from there. Okay, so we assume we already found A already. Yeah? We are supposed to find the radius. Okay. You found radius, right? You know which number to look at, huh?
Yeah. Is it 4.1?
4.1. Okay, which number? You tell me what do you do? Which number do you take? How do you do?
I don't even understand my working.
Okay. Never mind.
My working.
You're gonna show me your working.
No, I don't even understand my working.
Oh, don't understand your working. Okay. Do you know that the base area here refers to the circle at the bottom? You know, right? Okay. So you have a circle down here. It's very bad. So you have a circle down here, which is like that, right? And then it is 144 pi, So we just write the formula. What's the formula? Pi r squared pi times r squared is equals to 144 pi. So I'm going to cancel the pi. I get r squared to 144. What is r? You can find straight.
Well,
12, yeah. So you have found 12. Okay. Then the next one, you need to draw the model. This one I think you are sure what to do, right? You can start labeling because they tell you that you have found the radius which is 12. And then they I'm gonna and so can you find the slant height?
20.
20, good. Okay. And then now you can find the total surface area. Total is not only curve. Total surface area.
One nine six 0.4.
Very big, huh? Okay. You took pi RL, right? What do you get?
754.
Sorry? How much?
754.
754, good. And then what about area? Did you take 144 or you 768? 144 times pi, Then you add them together. How much 144 times pi?
452.
Okay, good. You add them together.
1206.
Okay. This is the rough one. According to the book, it's supposed to be 1210. But sometimes I wonder whether they are using accurate answers or not. But so you're okay with this? All right, now. Can I assume that you are more or less okay with cones and pyramids? So we do one last question, Ken? Or you want to go for 1.5 hours? 1 hour is enough, huh?
No, my mom.
Your mom want 1.5 hours. Okay. All right, no problem. We can revise some of the algebraic manipulations, no problem. Okay, we try this one now. It looks like a quite interesting question. Okay. I think this would be once you get your answer for A, you tell me.
I don't remember the formula.
On pi r squared, then divide by 2 lah. Pi r squared divided by 2. Believe in yourself.
Two to 6.2.
2 to 6.2. Okay, let me see. Yeah. You put on it pi. Yeah, should be just hold on. 72 times. Yeah, correct. Okay, we move on to the next one. You read through. Tell me whether you understand what they are saying. You know what to do? They remember kacang putih man. They're using that paper that you found out the area of. They're going to fold it and make it into a cone. Okay, so that cone now is going to have a new radius. It's not going to be the same radius as what you found above. And then, yeah, we need to find what's the radius. So if you have found this semicircle, what have you found of the cone? Have you found the base area or the curved surface area or total surface area? So you have curved surface area. So you use that formula to find the radius. Because you have the slanted height. The slanted height is how much? You're folding the thing. You got to imagine. You're an artist, remember? You have to, can you see, imagine this now. This thing now, you bring together to the bottom. And then this line here now goes up. Can you imagine that? You cannot, I got to cut paper for you. You don't want, you feel insulted, is it? No, this is part and parcel, okay? No problem. You bring it together, this thing now goes up like a door in a teepee, is it? But you got the native Red Indians home, you know, the hut. So now this one becomes that the door, the zip, you put the zipper here, you can go in and out. But that's the radius. So the radius becomes the door. These two radiuses or radii will meet each other in a line on here. So if let's say I were to draw, I'll draw the view now from the front. Let's see, we have, this is the front. Okay, and then down here. So now the radius now is going to be here. These two, there's two radius, right? But it's going to be like side by side. No, I'm going to use two colors. One is going to be down here, another one is going to be. So this is like AV is here. Sorry, AV and BV. This is V. Are you okay? You can see, you know what to do. Okay, great. Okay, my suggestion is when you use the area of the semicircle, don't change the pi. So if you want to get a more accurate answer, for example, just now you got pi r squared divided by 2, right? So r down here is 12, right? 12 times 12, 144. So it's 144 over 2, which is, then you have pi lah. So 144 divided by 2, you get 72 pi. So use this as the area. Later you can cancel the pi when you make an equation with the pi RL, with the curved surface area formula. Emma, you lost, Emma? Okay. So first of all, do you agree that this area is the same as this area? You agree? You know, right? So the formula for this area is pi r squared divided by 2. Correct? Did you get this? So this one now, your formula for curved surface area is pi r L. But this L now, you know, is 12. What? You can substitute 12 pi r or whatever lah. This is equals to what? This is equals to 72 pi. It's equals to 72 pi. Are you confused by this? This paper, the paper we made it into kacang putih paper. There's two ways of finding the area down here. One is pi RL. The other one is pi r squared divided by 2. So now you just need to find what is R. You see the pi down here? I can cancel. 72 divided by 12. No, you don't get. You can't, it doesn't click yet. No problem, no problem. Maths is something, okay, Emma, you must remember. It must click, you know, then you have the aha moment. So now I have to cut this paper. Just a moment. Did your teacher cut paper right, in class? No. Okay, you must remember cutting paper. There's no. This is how human beings learn about anything, for the world and all. We make models and whatnot. So down here you can see, right? This is semicircle, right? So when I bent it and I form the kacang putih like that, can you see this thing now becomes at the front now? Can you see now? Right? So now there's two ways of finding the area of this paper. One is half of a circle area. The other one, curved surface area of a cone. Do you get it? So curved surface area of a cone, this is the formula. And then if you take the pi r squared one, pi r squared, this is area of circle, then divide by 2 lah. Divide by pi r squared divide by 2. So now this, I do not know why I cannot write my fingers. Okay, so when we take pi r squared divided by 2, you get 72 pi. Are you confused by this? No. When you take pi r L, you get 12 times pi times r. Are you confused by this? No. So you have pi here, you have pi here, you can cancel. Then it means that 12r equals to 72. Are you confused by cancel a pi? No. So finally, you get 12r equals to 72, and 72, and therefore r equals to 72 divided by 12 lah. How? Which part do you not get? Which part? It's okay. It's okay to not get. Sometimes, people tell a joke and then we don't understand it, or sometimes it's not even funny lah. But sometimes we get it when no one's around. In the middle of the night, start laughing. I do not know whether that happened to you. Okay, or someone insult, then we get the insult, we get the pain later on. Okay, so this one you divide, you get 6, which is what they say down here. The cone radius, base radius is 6. Are you okay? Okay, then we can move on. If you're okay, we can move on. You can find the height, you can find the volume. Okay, I'm just gonna. We want to find the height. So you got the radius. I'm going to erase. Okay, I don't erase anything. So you want to find the height of the. Okay, so I'm drawing the side view of the cone here. Part of the cone, the other side is here. Okay, I'm drawing half of the cone. Okay, we agree already that you want to find the height, which is a question mark here. We know this is 6. We agree that L is 12. You agree, right? Yeah. So now you can find the height using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now you need to draw all these triangles now, or for your own working. Don't imagine, because our mind is always wandering. I can tell you that when I'm praying, sometimes I'm thinking all sorts of stuff. And this is human nature, unless you are able to control it. Okay. Once you get your height, tell me,
10.4.
Well done. Well done. Find the volume of the cone.
392.1.
Found it, yeah. 392.1. Okay, well done. So congratulations, you've gotten it. Clear, I'm going to clear this, okay? Okay, and we move on to this one. This one looks a little bit complex. Diagram, the solid shown is made up of 2 cones, LAB and VAB, where LV passes through the center. So LV is actually the combined heights. OB is 20, OV is 99, LO is 48. Okay, they want you to find the total volume of the solid. You need me to enlarge this one? No need. Okay. All right, so we are supposed to find the volume of both solids. That means of the solid, which is both cones. The radius of the both cones is the same.
20. Wait, no.
Fast, fast. Yes.
I got the answer, but I don't think it's correct.
Okay, what's your answer?
61575.2.
Okay, correct. Congratulations. Be more confident in yourself, lah. Yes, you must be more confident in yourself. Okay, the book answer is 616. Your 61600, which is yeah. I am just about to calculate mine. Let me see. I 4145.7. My answer is 61599.995, which is, yeah, which is 61600 lah. But it's okay because you have estimated the pi, no issue lah. So good, good. You are able to do that. The lengths LB and VB, LB and VB, which are the slanted height. And okay, let's go.
LB is 52.
52. Okay, good.
One zero one.
101. Well done. Well done. Total surface area of the solid. Total surface area of the solid. This time is just both curved surface area, right? Because the base area is not seen at all. It's not on the outside. So, okay, let's try. Yeah.
One two one two 6.6.
Okay, what's your curved surface area for the ALB?
4523.9.
What's your curved surface area for the other one, AVB?
7602.7.
Okay, let's check. How do you take pi RL? Yes. Okay, hold on now. Yeah, the you found okay. You have your working there or no? You have your working. Can you take a photo of your working? That's one. Check. This one, right, Ma?
Mhm.
Okay, down here now, you have forgotten one thing. You see, it's pi times r times l. So you have pi times r times l. Well done. Then you say pi times r squared. Remember, there's another thing, 52, I think. The slanted height we found is 52. You forgot. Okay, hold on. I'm going to show you. Can you see this? The one curved surface area. So you got to use one reading down here. You have 101 is correct. The other one you're finding is here. You have automatically found what is the curved surface area of cone AVB. You didn't find the one down here. You know what I'm talking about? Because you took pi r squared. Pi r squared is this one, this circle. We need pi r l also down here. Are you okay? So your pi times r must change to pi times r times 52. You know what I'm talking about? This one is 50. No, okay. First of all, do you agree this is 101? You agree?
Yeah.
You agree it's 52? Now they're asking you to find total surface area, which means this surface area plus this surface area. What did Emma find? Emma found this surface area, which is good, but she also going to find this surface, this area here, which is no longer on the surface. This is inside, because you have two cones combined together. Is no longer the surface area; it's inside now. You found pi r squared here. You are supposed to find pi r l is for this one. Are you okay? You get it? Okay. So you change your r squared. Change your r squared. This one. Change this one now. All the rest is, this one is okay, as I said. This is okay, okay, the plus sign, okay. Cancel the square, okay, times by 52 lah. Then you get the curved surface area. Then you know what to do, right? You see what number do you get? Oh, hold on. What do you do? Oh, okay, I know what you did. Okay. You cancel this one. Cancel this one. Okay, you did it. So you did below lah, I didn't see. So what you did was you added the base area, but the base area is no longer on the outside. You know what I mean? The base area is on the inside already. So it's not considered surface area. You get what I'm saying, huh? So you find out these two without this one, without the second part. You just plus these two. These two plus together. What's your answer?
673.3.
For both of them, or which one?
No, total.
Total. Okay, let's check. Can you tell me what's your answer for this one first?
Oh, wait, no. Press wrong one. 9613.3.
9613. Okay, well done. Well done. The book's answer is 9610. I got below that. So 9613. Okay. So you are all quite all right, Emma. Do one last one. Can we do this one? You know what this is, right? This is that paper. You're going to make kacang putih paper. You're going to make a code. But it's no longer now. They call it area of sector. What is sector? This is sector. Later you learn, I think in Sec 3, a minor sector, major sector. So what is minor sector? Is this this one is called minor sector. Major sector is the bigger one. Okay. So we don't need to show this. We go straight into, we assume this is already shown now. Okay. A right circular cone. What is a right? Right circular cone. Where is it? Is this the one? I think a right circular cone is, yeah, okay. Is formed by joining OA and OB. Okay, same thing like this in figure 2. Find the base area, base radius, sorry. Base radius. You can use this already, yeah? Okay, you don't need to prove this. So we are doing question B, yeah? B1, 2, 3. You want to find the base radius. Huh? Emma, don't doubt yourself, Emma. From your look, I can see you're doubting yourself. Do you form?
13.5.
No, it's a whole number. First of all, did you write the formula for this one? Pi RL is equals to 135 pi?
No.
Then how are you going to find radius? You agree this paper is the same as the curved surface area? Do you agree? So you write the formula for curved surface area lah, which is pi r l equals to 135 pi. Now you know what is L, right? You substitute in, and later you can cancel the pi, but you can substitute the L, which is this. Do you do that? You did. You do this lah. You look tired, Emma. Maybe you got to tell your mom some days. You okay not? You just got a few minutes more. Actually, you notice not the one that is like a online tuition like this is quite intense. I think so lah. Or you find it the same?
The same.
The same. Okay. Can get, Emma? Emma's tired with the. Emma's tired. Emma cannot think with him. Okay, Emma. This is how much? L is how much? 15. I just put 15 pi. In fact, we can cancel this. Cancel the pi. 15R is what?
120.
120. You go in minus. Emma is tired. The 15R equals 135. You want to find R, you must divide by 15, not minus 15. Must divide by 15.
9.
9. Okay, so you got 9 here. Okay, now they want you to they want you to find the height. Okay, the height. You can find the height. In fact, you use this model here. You want to find the height here, okay? And here we go. Okay.
Well,
12, good. Now you find the volume of the cone. You got the height 12, you got the radius 9, right? The radius is 9, right? Find the volume of the cone.
six, 7, 8.6.
Okay. All right, we go through now. First, we go through now. Okay. Now let's see now. Let's see now. What is your formula? We agree, right? Pi r. Let us go. Let's check through one by one. Pi r squared times height divided by 3. Are we in agreement? Yes, huh? Just hold on.
Oh, wait.
Okay. While you correct the thing,
I
you're
was
tired.
finding
Huh?
Sophie's
Here we are. Okay. You're tired, lah. What other tuition do you have, Emma, other than maths?
I don't have any other tuition.
Okay. Not even for Malay. They must be good, huh?
$1017.9.
Okay, well done. So congratulations. We take our leave now. Okay, be happy, okay? All right, see you next Tuesday. All right. You message me what topic you're doing. I assume it's going to be sphere and the other one. You just message me by Monday or so. Okay. Bye-bye, Ma. See you.